So the way that I like to set up my units is you see all the bass boats and you see all the pro walleye boats. They've got 2 units on the front. I'm not saying you have to do it with 2 units, but it makes it so that you have a bigger screen to look at. But I like to take my 1 unit and I'll split the screen. On the left side, I put a map situation, a GPS mapping, because as you're fishing structure, you want to know exactly where you are. If you catch a fish, you can drop that waypoint and you can stay in that general area. On the right side, I use 2D sonar, but I hook it up a little bit different. I hook my 2D sonar to the same active target sonar that's on my trolling motor. So the active target sonar can shoot 2D, and it'll give you the same traditional picture that you're used to seeing, and it'll do it without interference. So those are the 3 pictures that I like to use while I'm fishing. And you know, I'm still a traditionalist. I like looking at that 2D sonar. You don't. There's a lot of guys I know that just look at active target, but it's off the same transducer, so you're not going to get any interference.